Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the Westgate Hotel and Casino. We want to give a huge shout out to Travis Bell for creating our cool Slot World design. If you go in the description of this video, you can buy your own Slot World t-shirt. Thank you so much, we appreciate it. Let's get to the video. That was delicious. Okay, let's do this, Colin.
When you guys stay at the Westgate, this is what you get to see. A building.
They have free parking here for all who want to know.
Yep. Westgate always smells like their soap. Oh.
Well, when you first walk in, there's a little marketplace.
Yeah. There's the IV center. It looks like pee.
Have you ever used this? Put in the comments if you've ever done the IV, and if you have, what one you did. That's a lot. Like, just drink a Bloody Mary and keep it going yourself. Do you want a mermaid?
I'll pass.
Alright, so we should ask viewers, like, what's the coolest tattoo you have? Or you got? Or should we say, what's the most embarrassing tattoo you have? You want to get married?
Can't keep calm getting married.
I can't keep calm getting married. The magic of gym trainer. Ooh.
Who else can balance that? Because it's not that hard.
Balance a rose?
Yeah.
You don't think?
I can balance paper.
Ooh, you fancy?
There's like a game 360 experience. You sit in eggs like Humpty Dumpty. Ooh.
Sounds fun. Roller coaster, that one's a real thing.
That guy was a little into that.
He was excited for his virtual reality.
I gotta say, he's pretty good at doing the poo-poo-poos.
Viva Vegas.
Yep.
Where do you get your Vegas memorabilia?
See. Nope. Okay.
What?
Trying to find all the hidden Las Vegas signs in Vegas. Nope. Well, there's something my mom's really interested in.
I love those stones. They're my favorite.
Wow. There's black clover.
No boring socks in there.
Nope. There's the tower. I don't know what one that is. It didn't really say. Central Tower elevators.
Hey, beautiful.
Yeah. Get rid of wrinkles. Oh gosh. They're like mimes.
Hello?
Just a...
The boutique?
Yeah. There's a motorcycle. Live fast.
ACDC. I feel like we're in a video game with this music.
I know.
Like Mario Brothers when you pause it. Or you're in the world.
What's in there?
I don't know. Resort. Oh, it just says Westgate Resort. That's just a way
Oh yeah.
tour bus East Tower entry. Is it so cool? You got a mermaid school.
What? Huh.
Alright, so
Oh, mermaid school.
what is it?
It's mermaid school. Oh. Mermaid
It's
school.
$40 per person if you want to be a mermaid.
Westgate gift shop. There's...
Coffee wine experience.
So this has been the International, the Hilton.
This says Vegas Hilton.
Look, she has gas.
Here's the welcome desk. And then there's the regular check-in.
Yeah. They got little waterfalls, it's kind of cool. There's express service, check in, check out.
Complimentary Walter over here.
Yep, let's see if I can do this one-handed.
Oh,
yeah.
Talented.
We got our own Slot World shirts now, guys.
Woo, fancy. I like how it has the LILB and the coins. Super cute. Anyway, let's get back to the video. Westgate, guess how many rooms?
A lot.
Yes, 2,956. This is like a little, maybe they have like live shows right there.
Yeah.
drink.
Think about how many people that are like completely wasted just start singing up there.
Sushi.
With cigarette. There's typo. They put 2 X's.
That's because that's their show. There's Benihana's. We've eaten there.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
You take the red one, I'll take the green.
I want the green one.
Nope.
There's a dragon.
Scary looking, huh?
It looks like a fish. Put in the comments what she said.
Pavilion, sales and catering, convention center, boardroom, ballroom.
There's the Edge Steakhouse, which I am not dressed for at all.
Oh, here's a map.
Yep, I'm the map. So we entered from here. We've walked here. Then we came back.
We went outside.
We went outside.
Came back in.
Right there.
We walked down this way.
Came to here somewhere.
Yeah, we're right here. You are here.
Oh, see. I'm smart.
Here's all their shops and stuff. Do you want to just 360 world? We
Yeah,
can do another 360 video, huh?
Yeah. Camera did not like looking down that far. Hey guys, they got a lot of meat.
See?
Ew, some of that meat looked a little done.
Alright, and this is boardrooms and FedEx.
You know what that means? It's boring.
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Can we walk in there and just see what happens?
No.
Why not?
Alright, so they have 2,956 rooms here.
Take a
Their
seat.
permanent shows The Magic of Jen Kramer, Moana, The Hits Come Home,
It's right there.
Sexy, and Wallace. Stores Wallace. Oh, here's a Italian restaurant, Fresco.
Yeah?
Ooh, they got buckets for $25.
What's buckets?
Buckets of beer.
Oh. They got buckets. There's Sex in the City Ultra.
Oh, there's the showroom down there.
Let's go to the showroom. Pardon our maintenance. I mean, I guess that's where a bunch of table games were. Let's look in.
Say it, Kyle.
Slot World, yay!
That sounded so fun.
What's in there? You guys tell me what you saw, because I didn't see anything. They got the virtual thing.
Well, that's roulette.
Yep, virtual roulette.
And then all his merch.
And dice.
And dice.
Merch and dice.
Wait, what? Alright, let's go this way. Alright, look at this little bar.
Yep, must be age 21 to be in this area. Put my foot in. It's a little interesting.
Dad's calling me.
Here's the Players Club's casino and stage. Mom's talking to my dad. There's I Heart Chalkbox. Still haven't found Timberwolf, but we're on the look. Go ahead and tag us if you find Timberwolf somewhere. And yeah. Oh, we're going to the sports book. Okay, cool. Hey, you can see me. I'm wearing a Bob Ross shirt. Pretty cool. Buffet.
So anyway, there's their buffet. Dang, I was
Oh, brunches.
2 p.m. 7 a.m. 2 p.m. Alright. Dang, that's a big sports book.
Yeah,
Look at that horse.
I know, right?
That's weird. There's some old slots looks like over here.
But they're not coins.
They have a poker room.
Yep. There's their poker room. We're about to be caught right here. Ready? I called it. Eat where? Am I allowed to be in here? I am?
They have the best sports book. Look how massive it is.
Yeah.
I think you're allowed in here. Well, I don't see any kids though.
Yep. Never mind, I see one. What is this?
Do you want to eat here or you want to go somewhere else?
Yeah, I'm not really in the mood for pepperoni.
They have sandwiches, soup, salad, drinks, nachos,
They
and
have
tacos.
a sandwich.
Yeah, here's the turkey. You want to go somewhere else?
I would like to.
Okay, there's sports car over here, but security's right there, and I don't want to.
He only has one seat in there, silly.
When they're racing, they don't have.
What about when their wife's there?
She's standing on the sideline cheering them on.
Showing stuff. What was?
Anyway, the biggest, I think this is one of the biggest sports books in Vegas. It's really fun here. We came and watched a Buckeye game here, and it was super fun. They have really comfy seats over the front.
What the heck is under there? Ugh. Annabelle is creepy looking. Oh, who wins the horse race? Oh, it was Yellow Guy. Not too big of a fan of Yellow Guy, but, you know, good for him.
Hey, this cafe is closed. This is dinner. What time's dinner start? It's 7 p.m. on a Wednesday.
I don't know. We were too late for dinner. You know, Sid eats really early.
She doesn't eat early.
Yeah, she like eats at like 2 o'clock.
So they have free craft lessons Fridays at 11. Texas Hold'em, $5 minimum. Looks like Blackjack is over there, $5 minimum. Baccarat, $10 minimum. And roulette is $10 minimum. They have very limited
Table games.
they're renovating over there. Oh look, Big Bang Theory.
What's that guy's name? Put in the comments.
Oh, you got the box office?
Yep.
So that's where you buy all your tickets.
George Wallace. It's a weird name.
Buffalo! Someone just won $1 million at the Strat on Buffalo.
Stratosphere.
No, it's called Strat now. They rebranded.
It's like the same with this. We'll always remember it as, what was it called before?
You remember, huh?
Okay.
It's called Tilted.
International.
First live appearance in 8 years, 4 weeks only. I bet that ticket was expensive, huh?
Any person under the age of 21 is not allowed in Gable.
Oh.
Huh. Oopsie poopsie.
Flat World. Ooh, I like that. That's a good sign.
You know what that sign means? Someone you smoke. Maybe it's because you ate peanut butter stuff.
So that is it. There's this little bar. There's the front. Good?
It's cactus.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
I forgot what that was called at first.
Is it gonna be a cool pool or no?
I'm gonna say yes.
Alright, so these cabanas are obviously not being used.
Yeah, we should jump that.
Oh, that's cool. That's got like a little fire pit.
Here's the spa.
Serenity Spa and Fitness. Someone's actually
Fitness.
working out in Vegas.
Yeah, right? Come on, you're in Vegas.
There's Resort World, look.
There's Resort World. They're gonna have
You think that's the
pandas.
parking structure beside it?
I thought that was what they're building with the rib, but that's right
Oh, that's for
there.
the convention center.
No, that's not it.
Alright, so. Oh, that pool's kind of cute.
It looks like a starfish that got ran over by a car, but still.
Shallow.
Yeah,
Little pebbles running. Oh, maybe the deeper end somewhere.
yeah.
Yeah, I guess the 4 foot over there. Oh, there's tennis courts here?
Let's go to tennis courts.
There's misters up here.
I'll beat you again. You wanna go?
Oh, they're beer pong too. first. You won.
You won 2 times, you know that, right?
What are you telling me? Yeah, 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 yeah.
Not winning anymore. Huh? Let's go to tennis courts. Is that a tennis ball? Hit ya.
Alright,
Jana.
so here's their pool area. Pretty small pool, but I mean, there's a lot of people in it. It looks like there's life vests for kids. You can play a game.
Yeah, and beat your mom.
One out of 3. Son, I won.
See, nobody ever finished this game.
Yeah, I don't know who that was. Anyway, here's cabanas as well.
Yep. This is the cabanas. Here's the shower.
I like how they have misters in this little room where people are too hot.
Yeah. Even though they just get the camera a little wet. And there's the cabana shop.
For sunblock. Everybody needs sunblock. There's your towel drop.
Yep.
Thank you.
That's pretty much it, guys. Nothing.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy our video of the Westgate Hotel Casino. Peace out, Vegas. We love you. Still like it.
I got cooties now.